So I'm gonna be doing some brass pours today. I have a couple of ugly brass rounds that didn't come out very good. I've got a big brass bar that I'm not that happy with. That was the bar that I made from the brass casings that were pretty toasty, and I had to skim and skim and skim, and I just don't like the feel of it. So we're gonna remelt all of that. I've got some extra casings here. I'm hoping to pour a handful of medium-sized bars out of this. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, just want to record, let you guys know we're going to do a brass pour today, or a couple of brass pours, I should say, and hopefully it pours smoother than I've had my brass pour in the past. We'll have to see what it comes out like when it's cleaned up, because it looks and poured ugly. Probably the best 2 pours of the bunch. So brass is tough. I'm not exactly entirely thrilled at the condition of these pours, but they're not absolutely terrible either. I wish I could avoid some of these indentations, but who knows? Maybe we'll give it character. Now these are straight from the pour. Obviously I need to wire brush them, which I will do next. So let me go ahead and get them wire brushed down and see how much better they come out. So we're done. Polishing, some stamping. I'm beat. We got 3 ugly brass bars. I'm probably just going to end up remelting these. They're not the nicest bars. Brass pours kind of odd, and for me at least, probably end up remelting those. I compared them to a couple of brass bars I poured earlier in the year, and I even roughed up the bottom to see if they'd shine up again, and they do. These things that were poured probably 6 to 8 months ago, and I think these ones came out worse than these, and I was debating on even keeping these ones. But anyway, we got some brass bars. I did think the skeletons came out nice, honestly, and I'm thinking about not tumbling them and leaving some of that ugly copper burn look to them, because I really like the way they came out with that kind of toning, if you will. But they are wire brushed up, and again, they're not perfect, but they're nice overall. And then I had that crazy crater moon bar, if you will. So I found any spots to put my stamps at, and we got them in a couple of spots. Kind of an odd bar. I only wire brushed the bottoms. I did some grinding on the sides, but I didn't want to grind it smooth because obviously I couldn't do it on the top. But even if I tried on the sides, it would have required taking a lot of the weight off the bar. And then we've got one more 32.7 RFT logo. Again, same thing, kind of a moon bar bottom, but I'm happy with the way they came out. Got some character to these two. Kind of looks like a ghost going, woo. Well, maybe not. So I'm probably keeping these two. Definitely going to keep these ones, and I will figure out what to do with these. These will take way too much grinding to make them usable. But at least I got some nice ingots now to probably pour some more skeleton mold ones, should I choose to do that. Hopefully you enjoyed this brass pour. Again, brass is tough for me to work with. I'm learning as I go. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy melting, happy pouring, and thanks for watching.